in this section, we're talking about the convergence of sequences. So a sequence is an indexed list of numbers. So we have S sub n, and n goes through the natural numbers. So we have our first term, our second term, yada, 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 and it continues on infinitely. And we say that a sequence converges to some number s if S sub n gets closer and closer to S as n gets larger. So all of the terms are getting closer and closer to some number as our index gets larger and larger. So that's kind of the mental picture we want to have. The rigorous definition is that if we take some arbitrary epsilon